Just lingkod na ka.
Yeah.
Sis, diri-diri. Ang makita ko sa kamera. Gab-gabi din ako. Hindi kita. Ada to.
Ay, nakakita siya mga liting-liting. Paglas kinaput-put eh.
Nice right yung kuhan sa una, last time.
Oh, nice ka. Oh, sure. Dami kiting down.
Kapila pa naman nagpali.
Kadua ra sir kay gabiin na kay gisunod.
Kanina pa ako tatunin yun sa una mo.
Maulapos na.
Gisunod na lang itong instruction ba? 10
Kung ano ba yung
minutes.
nakapunta dito?
10 minutes.
10 minutes sa una.
Oh, yeah.
Ice bath 3 minutes.
Oh, 3 minutes sapat. Yeah. Nibalik may nang sabot kinahilis na ang ice kay 10 minutes.
Wala man gila pila log ay wala na sa bining ko an.
Pwede naman mamusulting.
Ay, first timer lang.
Sagad na lang.
Sunod na lang.
Oo.
Nice na mag-sound na ulit.
Nice sir. Ito.
Nakulani. Pili ko ka kunin dyan. Hindi harap ko kung pindog ka. Hindi mo kunin. Ay, makan na goods. Wala pa ako kakunin. Connecting ka.
Di ba ko to tanong na? Sibot ko.
May nagkakasilap.
Naglakaw ko pas kuan.
Ano ba rin?
Di sa ikina.
Lady.
Pinapatuloy man ang mua. Pero pinapatuloy.
Pablo.
Wala ko nabagsikan. Siguro.
Ay, blusad ka?
Alvina? Sa ka-black ma'am.
Peintong.
Slingan na.
Pinay. Kung pinakalas nga, dili, siya. Pinakalas. Kung mo taga-kalawis.
Ang pinaka-first.
Ay, kung pinakalas na.
Kanang sa
Sa friend ko eh.
5933.
Ang sa dira na
Hindi ko na 58 man ka.
58
Ilang mga angel.
Oh, kami na lang.
Hala kayo. Pag-year ba? Ay, yes.
Adin ha, ilan ang
Na-actually na ako.
Pero ka taga-Abia din na. Ano dito siya? Okay ba mo si Black lang? Ba mo taga-Abia? Ania.
Oh, kasi mama, Ania, slingan mo sa una.
Oo. Ania. Sa kanang sa kapuan ni Kasi. Malaki na Peblo. Ania. Peblo din Ania. Dapat yung sa kalawisan. Peblo.
Aldia
Ania na no? Ania no?
Del Rio.
Adelio.
Aldia del Rio.
Ako na. Daan no?
Oh, no na. First. Nakakuyo sa media. Tinamay din mo. Sa una. Pagpanganak na ko ni Babe. Ngayon pa ka na.
Sige lang, pinapay.
Wala yun na.
Sa Kalabisan, Timpulo.
Timpulo.
Timpulo. Lain, Timpulo. Kay kuan man na. Del Rizal man.
Ha? Na?
Del Rizal.
Okay, sige. Nag-zero. Wala pa ganito siya.
Palalo pa sa nina.
Del Rio.
Sige, magsugod na ta. Okay, tumato ko dali. Mag-inanin ta. Or sakit.
Sakit na.
Sige, mag-inanin lang ta.
Murag binuhat ka na gaya.
Okay, sige, ani lang ta. Sige, so same lang gihapon na meditation. Inhale sa nose, count of 4. Then exhale po sa nose, count of 5. Okay, then we're going to do that for 5 cycle of breaths in our own pace of breathing. Okay, so find your comfortable seated pose. Kaya naman yung sakit sa tuhod. Kasi ang puso na bang hindi comfortably. Okay, then put your hands top of your knees. ears. Then close your eyes and start to bring your awareness to your breath. Okay, notice your every inhale and your every exhale. And deep breath in to your nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Then exhale to your nose for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then again inhale. And continue breathing, breathe in and breathe out to our nose. Okay, once you're done, go back to your normal breathing and bring your hands to your heart, palms together, and blink your eyes open. Good morning. Namaste. Okay, so stay in your seated pose, mag-warm up sa taas ng hands sa side. Okay, then look forward, straighten ang likod, inhale, circle your arms up. Okay, look up or look to the ceiling para ma-stretch ang abdomen. Then try to extend your fingers and arms to feel the stretch of our shoulders. Then exhale, bring your hands down to your side, bow your neck, chin to your chest. And then inhale, arms up. Okay, this time, interlace your fingers, palms facing up, and try to extend your arms, lengthen your back. Okay, then inhale first, then as you exhale, side bend to your right side, right side. Then stay for 5 breaths. Then try to push your chest forward, look forward, para may round. Okay, hold 5, 4, dili mo ka ng forward, 3, 2, 1, inhale, back to center, other side, exhale, side bend to your left side, again, hold for 5 breaths. Okay, then inhale, back to center, arms up. Okay, from here, bring your hands behind you, interlace your fingers, press together in any move kaya, if not, okay na sa iyong hand. Okay, then try to rotate ang shoulders, release the arms, inhale, chest forward, and then look up or look to the ceiling. Then try to open your chest. Rotate your shoulder towards your back. Okay, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward. Again, circle your arms up. Then as you exhale, bring your hands down. Tap up your mat, and slowly walk your hands forward. Go down to your forward fold. Okay, and stay for 5 breaths. Okay, then inhale, slowly come up. Okay, from here, bring your left hand side, your right knee to your right knee, right hand at the back. Okay, then twist to your right side as you exhale, chest forward. Then again, try to rotate ang right shoulder towards your back. Okay, and inhale. Okay, back to center. Okay, then ikat sa arms. Again, try to open your chest. Inhale, then chest forward as you exhale. Again, look up, you look to the ceiling for 5 breaths. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, back to your neutral spine. Other side, left hand sa inyong right knee. And right hand to your left knee. And twist to your left side. Sige, bigas ka na lang. Okay, hold. 5. Hindi nakapis na ka ganyan sa tigas. Bigas ka na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, look forward. Then from that pose, extend your right knee sa right side. Right. Then si left na knee, so sa inyong feet nasa inner side, nakaflex ang toes, na swinging up, the left hand down, right arms up. Side bend to your right side, as you can see. Okay, then you can bring your elbows down sa mat if you want a deeper stretch. Then palms facing down. Okay, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. Nagpuas TV. Okay, flex ang toes. Grab your right big toes. Then grab sa right big toes sa inyong fist finger. Then side bend ako sa right side as you exhale. Then again, chest forward, palms facing down. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. Okay, from here, bring your left hands and likod, right arms up. Then exhale, hips up. Extend the arms all the way to the left. Then again, hold 5 breaths. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, bring your knees down. Again, arms up, bend first. Then bring your hands down. Go, and slowly walk your hands forward. Go down to your floor. Chest down. Then again, hold for 5 breaths. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up. Okay, from here, other side, bend the right knee, extend up sa left. Okay, the right hand down, left arms up, inhale. Side bend ako sa right side as you exhale. Again, elbows down, manahan ng deeper my switch. Okay, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lengthen arms up. Then flex ang toes, flex ang left na toes. Grab your left big toes with your face finger and side bend to the left side. Then again, chest forward. Then again, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up, lengthen. Okay, then bring your right hand at the back. Left arms up, inhale, then hips up, exhale. Extend naman si arms sa likod. Okay, hold 5, 4, hips forward, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your hips down. Again, arms up, lengthen. Then bring your hands down, go down to your floor. Okay, stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then inhale, slowly come up, bring your hands to your side. Okay, then soles of the feet together. Interlace your fingers, grab your toes, then try to move your legs up and down para release ang tension sa atong inner thigh. Okay, then back to center na sa extend sa legs. Makahold sa center. Flex ang toes. Inhale, arms up. Okay, lean forward first. Go down to your floor. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up, arms up. Okay, from here, bring your hands behind you. Ang fingers naka-out. Out ang fingers, point ang toes. Rotate your shoulder. Then as you exhale, try to push your chest forward. Again, look up or look to the ceiling for 5 breaths. Okay, then inhale, look forward. Again, back to your neutral spine. Bend across your right knee. Interlace your fingers. Grab your right foot. Then inhale, extend your right leg forward. Chest forward, exhale. Okay, again, try to straighten the right knee or right leg. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look forward and bend your right knee. Bring your right elbow to your left thigh. Hands behind your fingers nakaina. Bend your left knee. Okay, then as you inhale, slowly lift your hips up and chest up. So you reverse figure 4 pose. Okay, hold. Squeeze some glutes. Hug your belly. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, bring your hips down. Straighten the pussy left your legs. Naka-figure 4 ihapon. Hands ihapon sa likod. Rotate ang shoulder. Open your chest. Inhale. Then as you exhale, go down to your fold. Head down. Okay, then try to straighten your hands. Then hands away from the mat. Okay, then inhale up forward and release your hands. Other side, extend your right leg. Bend your your left knee, interlace your fingers, grab your left foot. Inhale, extend. Chest forward, exhale. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look forward, bend your left leg, bring your left ankle to your right thigh. Again, hands behind your fingers facing me. Bend your right knee, inhale, hips up and chest up. Then again, try to squeeze your glutes and hug your belly. Stay here for 5 breaths. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, bring your hips down. Again, straighten your right leg. Hands na po sa likod. Interlace your fingers. Rotate your shoulder. Open your chest. Straighten the arms. Inhale, chest forward. Flex and close. Go down to your fold as you exhale. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, okay, 2, 1. Okay, release. Okay, then from here, release na po ng tingin. Bend lang. Then slowly come up onto your knee lang. Okay, mag-cow and cat posta. So, you spread ang fingers. Dapat ang inyong rest in line as wide sa inyong shoulders. Same po sa inyong knees. Okay, look forward, lengthen. Then inhale, drop your belly down, chest up, elbow up. Look forward. Then exhale, hug your belly, chin to your chest, elbow down to your cat. Inhale, drop your belly to your cow, look forward. Drop your belly, bring your foot with the lupot, chest up. Then exhale, draw your belly in or hug your belly, chin to your chest, elbow down. Inhale, drop your belly to your cow, look forward, chest up, elbow up. Then exhale, round your back belly in, chin to your chest. Okay, then inhale back to your neutral spine, tabletop. Okay, from your tabletop, as you inhale, extend your right leg to the back, flex up nose. Then extend your left arms forward as you exhale. Same lang ihapon, hug your belly, then try to find your balance, engage your right leg. Then look forward. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Okay, the other side na sa inhale, extend ako sa left sa likod. Exhale, extend your right arms forward again. Engage the left the legs, hug the belly. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Okay, one more time. Again, extend up sa right leg. This time, i-bend as in these toes pointing up. Extend the left arms forward. Then hold 4, 5 breaths. Bend the right knee, toes pointing up. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, bring your left hand down. Extend the right leg sa right side. And from here, extend up the left arm sa left side for 3 breaths. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Bring your left hand down, lower down to right. Inhale, slowly come up. Okay, from here, bring your left hand down, right arms up. Left hand down, right arms up. Okay, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You want to extend the left, right arms, then right leg up. Hold for 5 breaths. Okay, 5, 4, yeah, so this up, 3, 2, 1. We from the bend right knee, grab your right ankle. Then inhale, try to push your hips forward, chest forward. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Bring your right foot down. Again, slowly come up, arms up. Okay, from here, right foot's out. Bend your knees, lower down the hips. Okay, hold for 3 breaths. Okay, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from here, bring your right hand down, inner side sa inyong right na foot, extend the left arms. Again for 3 breaths. Chest forward. You can look up or look forward for 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, bring your left hand at the back. Bind the right leg. Grab your fingers or look your fingers together. Inhale, chest forward. Then exhale, look up or look to your left side. Open your 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Again, straighten the legs, arms up. Then from here, right to in. Left hand to your left hip. Straight to the right legs. Okay, then squeeze some glutes. toes. Push your hips forward, lean back. Extend the arms sa likod. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up, lengthen. Then from here, bring your hands down. Lower down your right shoulder. Extend the right arm to the left. And bring your left hand to the left. Left hand sa left. Or you can grab your right thigh kung maabot sa inyong kamot. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, bring your left hand down. Straighten the arms. Right knee sa center. Balik sa inyong table lang. Okay. Okay, the other side yung side. Extend na po sa left. Bend the knees. Extend na po sa right arms forward. Then again, hold for 5 breaths. 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then right hand down first. Extend sa left and sa left. Then extend na po sa right arms to your right side. For 3 breaths gihapon. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Right hand down. Bring your left foot down. Inhale, arms up. Okay, then from here, as you exhale, bring your right hand down, left arms up for 3 breaths. Again, chest forward, you can look forward, look up for 3, 2, 1. Then inhale, extend your left arms to your right side and left leg up. Okay, hold for 3, side 2, 1. Okay, then bend your left knee, drop your left ankle. Then again, as you inhale, try to push your hips forward, chest forward. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Bring your left foot down. Again, inhale, arms up. Straight as the legs. Bring your left toes out. Lower down the hips. Okay. Kanang ma-feel din yung the hips forward. Ayaw yan na parang okay, 3, 2, 1. Bring your left hand down. Right arms up for 3 breaths. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, bring your right hand at the back. Bend your left leg. Wrap your fingers or move your fingers together. Inhale, chest forward. And exhale, look up or look to the ceiling for 4, 3, 2, 1. Then release. Again, straighten your legs, arms up. Inhale. Hawas up. Left toes in. Right hand to your right heels. Inhale. Then exhale. Back bend. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up, arms up. Okay, from here, bring your hands down. Lower down your left shoulder and extend your left arms to your right side. And bring your right hand at the back. Or grab your left thigh with your right hand. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Bring your right hand down. Straighten your arms. Right knee to the center. Back to your knee ball down. Okay, then from your knee ball down, slowly walk your hands forward and bring your chest down to your puppy pose. Hips up. Chest down lang. Hips puppy pose. So, kami na. Punta rin muna pa. Nakaisang lubot. Ang chest lang yung down. Huwag anak. Sige pa. Dapat ang inyong hips o ang inyong knees, incline siya. Okay, hold. 3, 2, 1. Okay, from that pose, slide your chest forward and bring your belly down sa mat. Belly down sa mat. Okay, then bring your hands beside sa inyong chest. Keep your elbow in. Tap your toes. Inhale, chest up. Straighten the arms to your upward dog. There you go. Chest up. Okay, then shoulders away from the ears. I-rotate ang shoulders towards the likod para ma-open ang chest. Okay, stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then chest down. Okay, from that pose, extend the left arm sa left side. Then bend your right knee. Right knee. Okay, then push your right leg over your left leg. Then look to your left side, supine twist. Okay, hold 5. Ang knees lifting up. We're gonna advance it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang anak ng ano, so, ang kamot din sa sulod, din sa gawas, inside. Grab ang right knee. So Sunod ang kamot. Sunod sa kamot, sunod sa tuhod. Grab, then inhale, extend. Okay, then hold for 5 breaths. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Hips down ako sa other side. Okay. Ang left na hand ko sa left side sa inyong chest. Extend ako sa right na arms. Okay, then bend your left knee, inhale, then cross your left leg to your right leg, to your twist, then look to your left side. Okay, stay for 5, 4, saan mo na, ma'am? Relax ako na. I-relax na kung ako, Oh, i-relax lang ang i-relax lang ang inyong neck. Ayaw, i-float ang ulo. Okay, and from that pose, other side, grab your left dito sa inyong left na kanan side. Inhale, extend. Try to strengthen. Okay, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Bring your left foot down, hips down, belly down sa mat. Then again, bring your hands inside your chest. Point your toes. Look forward, inhale, slowly come up to your upward, chest up, the upward. Okay, now shoulders away from your back. Hold here for 3, 2, 1. Then tap your toes, hips up, move your downward dog. Okay, this time you can paddle your feet or you can see your hips side to side. Okay, back to center. Okay, from that pose, you open your feet as wide as inyong hand. Chest down, good, look to the back. Inhale, then as you exhale, grab your right ankle with your left hand. Grab your right ankle sa inyong left hand. Then chest forward and look to your right side. Tanaw sa inyong right na ilog. Gawa sa ulo. We hold 5, 4, chest down, 3, 2, 1, release. Back to center. Okay, the other side, inhale. Then exhale, grab na po sa left ankle, left po sa inyong right na hand. Chest forward, look to your left side. Tanaw sa inyong left na ilog. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Okay, from that pose, bring your feet together. Feet together. Okay, then look forward, slowly walk your feet forward. Then come up to your half forward fold, hands to your shin. Then chest forward, then up sa sami para ma-straight at ang likod. Exhale to your fold, head down. Okay, this time, grab your elbows. Then head down lang, then you can see your body side to side. Or you can make your bend your knees one at a time. Okay, then back to center, release ang kamot. Inhale, slowly come up to your standing pose. Then bring your palms together to our mountain pose. Then hands to your heart. As you exhale. Okay, bring your hands to your side. Again, inhale, circle. Then release your fingers, exhale sa inyong index finger. Inhale here. Then as you exhale, try to push your hips forward, chest forward, knee back. Standing back bend. Again, try to extend the arms. Try not to bend your elbow for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale to your fold, head down. Inhale to your halfway, hands to your shin. Then exhale, hands down. Okay, from here, left foot to the back. Bring your left foot to the back. Tap your toes. Inhale, rise up, high lunge. Attack ang toes, bend the right knee. Okay, 3. Straighten the right leg. 2, 1. Exhale, hands down. Right foot to the back. Back sa inyong downward. Okay, stay for 3, 2, 1. Again, right leg up, really. Right leg up. Extend your right leg up. Really good now. Extend your right leg up. Straighten. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1. Then exhale. Exhale, bring your right foot forward. Again, right foot forward. Then lower down your left knee. Inhale, rise up to your new lunge. Arms up. Lower down the knees. Attack ang toes. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down, tap your toes, left foot forward, and hold down to your fold, hand down. Fold. Inhale halfway, look forward, hands to shin. Then exhale, hands down, other side, right foot to the back, tap your right toes, bend your left knee, rise up to your high lunge stand. Okay, then again, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down, left foot to the back, go to your downward dog, hips up, lengthen your back. Okay, stay for 3, 2, 1. Left leg up, 3 up. Yes, left leg up, 3 legged. Again, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, bend your left foot forward. Lower down your right knee. Rise up to your lulats. Right, lower down your right knee. Lulats, arms up. Okay, hold 5 breaths. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, hands down. Left foot to the back. Downward dog, hips up. Okay, then from that pose, lean forward. Go to your plank. Lean forward, tap ang toes, hug your belly, squeeze ang glutes. Protract ang likod ay yung drop ang shoulder. I-round ang likod. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then slowly bring your knees down, chest down sa mat. Again, bring your hands beside your chest, hit your elbow in. Inhale, straighten your arms, chest up to your upward, look forward. Then again, tap your toes, hips up, back to your downward dog, hips up. Okay, look forward. Again, walk your feet or stick your feet towards the front halfway. Hands to your chin, chest forward, look forward. Then exhale to your fold, hand down. Inhale, rise up, standing, circle your arms up. Again, bring your palms together. Then exhale, hands to your heart. Okay, then mag-chair ka. So hands aside. Inhale, circle your arms up. Then again, interlace your fingers, palms facing up. Try to extend your arms, lengthen your back here. Inhale. Then as you exhale, heels up. Hug your belly, squeeze your glutes. Isa yung ikuan yun ang tongue, extend. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heels down. Okay, from here, bend your knees. Extend your arms to your chair bones. Hug your belly, elbow pointing down. Okay, hold here for 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, hands down. Go down to your fold, hand down. Inhale to your halfway, hands to shin. Then exhale, hands down. Again, stick your feet to the back. Go to your plank. Lean forward, bring your knees down, chest down. Then inhale to your upward, chest up, straighten your arms, tap your toes, hips up, go to your downward dog. Again, right leg up, really good. Right leg up. Okay, this time bend your right knee, knees lifting up, open your right inner thigh. Okay, then try to bring your heels closer to your glutes para ma-stretch ang atong quads. Okay, then inhale first. Then as you exhale, bring your right knee to your chest. Right knee to your chest, lean forward. Okay, then stick your right foot forward in between your arms, right foot forward. Lower down the sa left knee. And tap your toes, inhale, rise up, low lunge. Okay, then from here, bring your left hand down, right hand to your right knee. Then try to open your right knee to your right side as you inhale. Then hips down, exhale, and look to your right side or look up. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then exhale, bring your right hand down. Okay, from your hips back. Straighten sa right na left. Okay, pag na-straight na, i-flex ang toes. Okay, look forward. Inhale first. Exhale to your fold, head down. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward. Again, bend your right knee, tap your toes. Again, back to your three-legged right leg up. Okay, then inhale first. Exhale, lean forward. Lean forward. Okay, lean forward. Then chest down. Inhale to your upward. Then tap your toes, hips up, tap your downward. Okay na na, oy. Para mahilis ang mga fats. Okay, the other side, left sa taas, wala sa ubos. Ayun, wala ubila. Hindi ko mabisa. Chest down, chest down. Okay, in front that pose, bring your left knee to your chest, lean forward the side, plank, sit. Okay, then, left foot forward. Lower down sa right knee, untap your toes. Lower down sa right knee, lower down. Knees. Untap ang toes. Right hand down, left hand sa inyong left knee. Okay, inhale, try to open. Your left side, hips down, and back out sa left side, your chest forward. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, bring your hands down. Again, hips back. Laki natin yung forward. Straighten your right, straighten sa left na legs. Pag straight na, i-flex ang toes. Toes pointing up. Flex your toes. Anak. Okay, look forward. Inhale, exhale to your full head down. Okay, then try to straighten sa legs para ma-stretch with the bottom hamstrings. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, look forward. Again, bend your left knee. Bring your hands down. Tap your right toes. Tap. Kurma no? Ano siya kurma? So, dede. And anak ng taas, yung knees up. Balik sa down. Left leg. Left leg. Then again, lean forward, inhale. Chest forward. Chest down. Inhale to your upward. Chest up. Straighten the arms. Okay, then tap your toes, hips up. Balik sa downward. Okay, stay for 5 breaths. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, jump forward or jump forward to your half forward fold. Yes, exhale to your fold. Fold sa top. Inhale, rise up. Chair, bend your knees, chair pose. Okay, then from here, swing ang arms sa likod, hug your belly. Straight, airplane pose, heels up. Tap your the toes, hug your belly, hold here for 5, heels up, 4, 3, 2, 1, heels down, chair, straighten the legs, palms together, hands to your heart. Okay, okay na, kapoy na. Kapoy, hawag yun. Okay, sige, hands sa gilid, again, inhale, circle. Then, exhale to your fold, head down. Forward fold. Inhale halfway, then exhale hands down. Again, feet to the back. Plank to plank. Lean forward, knees down, chest down. Hands beside your chest, inhale upward, straighten the arms, chest up. Then hips up, tap your toes, hips up, balik sa downward. Okay, then again, right leg up, mag-wild leg tap. Bend your right knee. Bend your right knee, knees pointing up. Okay, then from that pose, bring your right foot down sa left side. And hips down. Kaya hips down sa hips down. Okay, take the left leg, then right heel to either side, sa inyong right na tayo, body sa right leg. Bring your left hand sa back. Next, we have to left na toes, inhale, chest forward. Exhale, and fold head down. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up your release. Bring your left hand sa likod, right arms up. Okay, then hips up, one leg. Ano siya yung one leg pose? Okay, stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hips down sa parang mag-1 ako. Okay, then bring your right hand sa front. Again, balik sa inyong right leg. Okay, then from the three-legged dog, right foot forward. Tap ang left na toes, left nakatap. Come up to your high lunge, arms up. Okay, then from here, straighten sa left na legs, straight. Ikaktos ang arms, lean back ang chest forward for 3 breaths. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up forward, bring your hands down sa mat. Straighten sa right na leg. Duha ka legs na straight, look forward, inhale, left and go down to your floor. Exhale. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward, bend up sa right knee, lower down sa left knee. Inhale, rise up. Okay, from here, bring your left hand sa inyong left heels. Then, back bend. together. Other side, mom. Okay, then itak ang toes. Knees up. Knees up mo. Naka-reverse, naka-prayer, high lunge. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Hands down. Again, right foot sa likod, balik sa downward. Okay, other side na set. Left leg up. Then bend up sa left knee. Drop your left foot to your right side, hips down. Left elbow, inner side sa inyong left na thigh. Slide naman sa right left na legs. Right hand sa likod. Okay, inhale forward, exhale, pull head down. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, look forward, release your hands, bring your right hand down. Sa likod, left arms up, inhale, hips up, okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hips down. Okay, then again, bring your left hand sa front sa mat, tap your right toes, balik sa inyong feet. Left leg up. Okay, inhale first, then exhale. Left foot forward. Again, come up to your high lunge. High lunge at and arms out. Okay, come touch your arms. Inhale, open your chest for 3 breaths. Look forward, look up. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, rock to your neutral spine. Bring your hands down. Inhale, straighten your legs. Exhale, to your full. Ironing pose. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up forward, bend your left knee, lower down your right knee. Okay, inhale, arms up. The other side, right hand to your right heels. Lean back, exhale. Send your arms and chest up. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. Then right elbow sa inyong left na thigh, palms together. Pag na-forma na, tap your right toes, upright knees up. Tama na. Your dapat ang inyong left elbow mo sa taas. Hands heart, wala sa ilong ang inyong heart. Heart ang inyong kamot. Nakaisang mo sa okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release, hands down. Again. Right foot sa likod. Left foot sa likod. Okay, stay for 5 minutes. Okay, look forward, walk your feet or step your feet towards the front halfway. Exhale to your forward. Okay, this time, try to grab ang inyong ankles. Or you can bring your forehead closer sa inyong shin. Kung medyo abot-abot na ba. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lengthen. Then slowly come up. Circle your arms up to your standing pose, palms together. Then exhale, hands to your heart. Apoy na. Sige, hawas sa lahat ka, mag-balansin ka, din after umanan ka. Okay, so mag-figure 4 tap. Hindi lang ito mag-cheer. Right ankle sa inyong left na thigh, hands to your heart, sing your hips down sa mat. Sing your hips down, hand your belly, elbow down. Chest forward. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then straighten your legs. Lean forward, extend your right leg sa likod. Okay, hold here from 5, 4. Dapat ang ankles in line sa inyong hips. Then from here, bring your right foot down. Inhale, rise up to your through lunge. High lunge leg. Then right heels down. You open the arms and lower to gaze to the front. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We come here, right hand down, left arms up, reverse your warrior for 5 breaths. Bend hapon si left knee. Okay, 4, 3, 2, ayun, bend sa ayun. 2, 1. Inhale, back to center, open. Bend hapon sa left knee. Then from here, bend your left elbow back sa inyong left thigh. Extend your right arms to the front. Hands in line with ears. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, back to center, open. Then straighten the legs. Hands to your hips. Bring your right knees out. Naka-out ang mga toes. Okay, then inhale first. Exhale, lower down your hips, your bodies, and bring your hands to your heart. Dapat ang inyong hips in line sa inyong knees. Then chest forward. Okay, 4, triangle. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, revolve. Bring your right hand down. Left arm is up. Revolve triangle pose. Okay, hold 5 breaths. Okay, then inhale, bring your hands down to the mat. Bend sa left knee. Then, side plank na. So bring your left foot on top sa inyong right. Right hand down, left arm up. Pero kung magpurong body, pwede rin may support. Okay, hold 5. Mag-iyak yan. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down, plank. Chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale to your upward. Exhale to your downward. Your hips up. Okay, we have it again. Go forward. Step forward or jump forward to your half forward. Halfway na. Exhale to your full head down. Inhale, rise up chair. Bend your knees. Chair po sa top. Okay, the other side. Left ankle to your right thigh. Hands to your heart. Sige, from the half of your belly. Ginawa dyan para nilihang ankle. Okay, then from here, straight. Sakta ba rin?
Left na.
Left na. Left na lang. Ako mo na sa'yo, Jay. Sakto. Okay, then straighten. Lean forward na step. Same we have on 5 breaths. Dapat ang ankles in line sa inyong hips. Okay, then from here, bring your left foot down. Attack and close. Inhale, rise up, high lunge. Then, left heels down. Open your arms warrior to gaze to the front. Palms facing down. Hammer belly. Iyaw ilikod ang lukod. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then, right elbow tap sa inyong right na thigh. And kurma, extend sa left arm sa front. Line fingers. Actually, kung nagiging ko na siya itong naging siko, mura na siya dito itap. I-English ang more ano niya, mura itap na na ito. Okay, then hinabawa sa inyo ang legs. Ako din siya.
Hindi na ito po.
Hindi na siya itungkod. Kaya na siya. Mura na siya. So, open na side. Left hand down, right arms up, reverse. One is sa core. Bend down sa right knee. Okay, then inhale back to center. Open aside. Then hands to hips. Straighten sa right the legs, right to skin. Then again, hands to the foot. Rotate ang shoulder open. Dinanay ka punin sa mga pinalihan. Okay, open and straighten the hands, the arms. Inhale, then go down to your forward fold. Exhale. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up all the way up. Again, open up the arms. Happy na rin ka. Right nose out. Then, bend, right hand down, left arm sa triangle. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, bring your left hand down. Revolve. Right arms up. Revolve triangle pose. Dapat naka-straight ang luha katuhod kay triangle man. Okay, swing. 2, 1. Then exhale, bring your left hand down. Bend sa left knee. Alright, na knee ay. Okay, in other side, bring your right foot on top sa inyong left foot. Side front na po sa left side. Sige, para maka-arms na. Okay, hold 5. Pagkahiyan ka biyak, squeeze ang close. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right hand down, plank. Chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale upward. Exhale to your downward dog. Okay, from your downward dog, you bend an elbow. Lower down your elbow to your dolphin pose. Hips up hapon. Naka-hips up ka, naka-dolphin. Naka-isa ang hips. Okay, walk your feet closer sa inyong chest para isa ang hips. And if you want that in first place, you can bring your heels down sa mat. Then chest down, chest forward. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, lay down ang hips. Walk your feet towards the back. Back. Go to your forearm plank. Lean forward. Same lagi kapag hug your belly, squeeze ang glutes, engage ang legs, i-protract ang likod. Ayaw, i-drop ang shoulder. I-round ang likod. I-round ang likod. Drop, i-ano. Ayun, drop ang shoulder. Lean forward naman. Okay, then down na sa mat. Okay, so i-cactus si arms aside. Cactus your arms. Cactus your arms. Okay, look forward. Untap your toes. Push out. Untap. Okay, inhale. Then exhale, chest up. Then chest up lang. Nakakactus na siya, cactus. Chest up and arms up. Isa ang kamot lang. Away from the mat. Isa ang chest. Chest up.
Saan na siya?
Chest up.
Ay, and then hands away from the
Then feet up sa likod. Lotus pose. Wala na likod.
Sakay para siya sa balik.
Cute kayo ng bakit ba? Awag me down. Okay, so kanina, tulungan hands sa likod, hands behind you. Interlace the fingers. Straighten the arms, rotate the shoulder. Okay, look forward, inhale, chest up. Away from the mat and chest, then feet up. Ayaw, i-bend the knees. Straight through. Hands away from your back para mas maisa ang chest. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Last na good. Bend si knees, i-grab si ankle. Ilihan niya si ankle. Sige. Okay, look forward, inhale, then chest up, legs up. Or try to push your feet away from your back para maisa ang chest, mabira ang chest. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Okay, straighten your legs. You can rest in any position, but if kailangan mo mag-child's pose, you can go to your tabletop, then child's pose. Hands, tabletop sa top, hands up. Sige, come up to your tabletop. Okay, then open your knees as wide sa inyong mat. Close together. Then bring your hips down sa inyong heels. Chest down, extend the arms. You can bring your forehead down, your chin down. Depende kung asa mo comfortable. Okay, then rest in your child's pose. Sige, rest. Ha? Okay. Sige lang, kapit naman set. Okay, marong mata kayo. Ikaw ka ng sino. Tapoy na. Balik sa tabletop. Okay, then from your tabletop, right foot forward. Outer side sa inyong mat, or outer, pinky side sa inyong left, right na hand. Itak ang inyong left na toes, knees away from the mat. Lower down sa elbow to your lizard's pose. Naka-engage gihapon ang atong right, left nga leg sa mura siya gitukod nito ang inyong toes gani. Para bugahi ang inyong quads. Okay, forward and down na. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Then lower down sa left knee and tap your toes. Then straighten the arms, look forward, chest up, straighten the arms. Okay, then from that pose, straighten the move. Wiggle your right foot to your left side, lower down sa right knee to your pigeon pose. I-wiggle lang inyong wiggle. Wiggle your right foot to your left side and knees down, pigeon pose. Careful sa mga tuhod ha, basta muna para matagagdanan. Okay, so hands up sa inyong mat. Okay, then try to straighten the arms, chest forward. Then kung maisa ang kamot, okay na yun. If not, pwede na yun i-support ang kamot. Importante naka-chest forward. Kung wala nagtakilid, ang atong hips, ang atong shoulder. Dapat, alawa sa akin. Wala kung nag-facing sa right, dapat facing forward. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go down to your sleeping pigeon forward fold. Ikaw po yung naging baka. Ay, nako. Okay, slowly come up. Other side. Extend your left leg to the front. Then bend sa left knee. Since, extend sa right leg. Ay, magkuhan din tali hapon. Magkatungkuan. Tawag ni? Lizard. Anak mo tanong? Ganita? Ako may nung binirin. Dapat ay maami pa tao. Kani. Pwede nila hindi ka kuhan sa kilid. Okay, left foot forward. Tap right toes. Then lower down sa elbow. Lizard. Other side. Release away from the mat. Ipat ang toes. Ha? Ano siya? Toes siya. Kurang nag-anak siya. Parang hindi ka. Okay. Release away from the mat. Okay, then lower down sa right knee. Untap your toes. Then straighten the arms. Straight na kamo. Other side na side. Wiggle your left foot to your right side. Lower down sa left knee. Kung sakit ang tuhod na, you can bring your heels closer sa inyong inner thighs. Again, move forward. Hands up sa mat. If you can extend your arms up, it's okay. If not, also support your hands down sa mat now. Chest forward. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, fold. Sleeping pigeon. Go down to your fold. Hapit na yun. Yaman na rin kuha. Ako rin yung dito. Okay, then inhale, slowly come up. Extend the legs sa kubangan, soles of the feet together, butterfly pose. Okay, then release those fingers, move your legs up and down lang para ma-release ang tension sa ating mga hips and inner thigh. Anak lang. Pwede manak lang.
Dagko ibinawa.
Okay na sadli, uy. Naka-aircon mataka mo na, pwede maning na. Okay, so extend the legs. Okay, extend the legs sa kubangan. I-flex ang toes. Nakabot na siguro ni inhale, arms up, lengthen. Okay, then go down to your phone. Maabot na. Okay, hold 5. Dinihan mo tumabot. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward, arms up. And from here, bring your hands sa likod. Ang fingers naka-in. Point ang toes. Engage di hapon ang atong core, atong belly. Then chest up. And try to touch your toes sa mat. Head up lang. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down. Okay, then from that pose, naka-point man ang toes, no? So, i-grab ang right big toe sa inyong fist finger. Point ang toes, extend si left na arms, extend sa right. Then lean back naman, para makabalance. Point ang left na toes, then isa. Balance, 5 words. Pagka-balance ulit siya, lean back lang siya. Okay, hold 5, 4, engage your point para ma-engage ang inyong quads. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Mana siya i-point para ma-engage ang inyong quads. Lean back naman. Pati kung naka-engage yung dala namin, pati ang core, ang inyong pangod para makabalance. Dahil isang tiil. I-try ang engage ang inyong tiil para okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Thank you. Okay, mana. Sige, open lang si feet as wide sa inyong mat. Okay, grab the soles of your feet sa inyong kamot. Okay, look forward. Inhale first, then exhale. Hug your belly, round ang back, and bring your chin to your chest. Okay, then try to push your toes forward para mag-drag in your shoulder. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, look forward. Next, bring your hands sa likod. Ang fingers naka-in out. Point ang toes again. Rotate ang shoulder. Then exhale. Try to push your chest forward. You open with the chest. Then look up or look to the ceiling for 5 minutes. Okay, then inhale, look forward. And from here, feet together. Bend lang sa right knee. Ayaw i-cross, bend lang. Okay, then bring your left elbow outer side sa inyong left, right na tayo, right hand sa likod, chest forward, and twist sa right side. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look forward, straighten na po sa right, other side, bend sa left. Right elbow outer side sa inyong left na thigh, chest forward, inhale sa exhale po. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then higit na sa mat. Straighten sa legs, lay down sa mat. Ayun, ganahan mo mag-wheel. Mag-wheel ka kausa. Sa ka-bridge sa ka-wheel. Then after ana siya basa na. Okay, bend your knees to your bridge pose. Feet as wide sa inyong hips. Bend your knees, mag-wheel sa mag-bridge. Feet as wide sa inyong hips, not sa inyong mat. Kung sa kalapad ang inyong hips, ka-wide, ka-open ang inyong tiil. Kala. Okay, then try to reach sa inyong fingertips, ang inyong heels, kung maabot. Kung maabot na siya, mana na siya isa. Okay, so inhale, mag-bridge ka. Exhale, hips up, chest up to your bridge pose. Maganda ka mag-wheel na yun. Katong bridge siya, itong anak isa sa, katong naka-introduce ang finger sa likod. Ana sa first, ang bridge. Bridge siya, down. Okay, hips up, chest up. Then if you want to open your shoulder into your wrist, then rotate your hapon siya, then press the hapon sa mat. Chest up, isa ang hips. Then, ayaw itak ang inyong chin, give space sa inyong neck para makabreathe. Okay, 3, 2, 1, hips down. Okay, mano ng wheel. Pwede ka mong move diri gamay, ma'am. Lapas na. Okay, so ang ganahan ng wheel, you can bring your hands beside your ears, ang fingers naka-in. Clip ang elbow. Okay, inhale. Careful sa inyong kuan ha. In. Nag-inikwan sa wheel, kung dili kayo siya strong ang arms, dapat utang sa around sa head group ang muna. Nagdala-gala. Inhale, hips up, chest up. Sige. Pwede sa ito po ang inyong ulo before mo mag-kuan. Careful sa inyong mga kuan ha. Sige na. Ako na naman. Ay, parang kayo sa lang. Ako kayo mo. Kaya mo. I-relax na kayo. Ano lang sa likod. I-press yung grab lang yung nakarelax.
Ayaw sa ito kasi siguro hindi po ako
Sige naman. Akan-akan na kayo. Picture na sila. Go. Yan.
Straight yung arms. Straight ang arms. Straight. Kasama ko.
Ito yung elbow. Okay. Ito na yung elbow. Ayaw. Relax na yung relax na yung relax na yung nag-open naman siya. Ito siya space. Dapat yung mga dapat dito na kayo ka. Ayaw ako sa yung iba mo siya nakasandaan mo dito. Kaya sumaso na yung ka na. Halos na lang yung
ang ligaw ang mga master. Wala pa rin mo ka na.
picture.
Basta na maliliog ba?
Ay, wala ito. Sakto ko siya, pero mga check niya. May pero, din nakapamira, magkaya, mukha niya binasiya. Mana siya katong chataranga, masita chataranga. Kapoy siya, pero mo na siya, arms kaya nagkamit siya. Arms niya ako. Pagkala ka ba? Parang nag-plan ka ba? Ayaw din na yung skip. Kapoy na siya, pero ayaw yung skip.
Kasi tawag ka ng watcher ka na mag-anak ito, yung buwan na tingin.
Will hapon na siya, pero laing variation sa will na naka-extend ang legs sa taas. Kaya mas
May buhay ka? Oo, sa kanulay ka. Sa kanulay dance.
Naaman siya
Oo, dance ka na.
Sa
Imo sa kasi imo siya i-compare. Balan. Yung ikuan ka yung wala siya nagpili, wala siya nagana. Ayun, siya. Ang fingers mo naka-face sa iyong shoulder. Okay, pag-elbow ka.
Mastro.
Magpa-picture pa ba ang logo, no?
Siya una.
Ay, sa dance na. Sa dancer na yung
Alam pa kayo ba? Ako naman wala. I-press, i-walk, i-walk, forward. Okay na? Kaya na ako? Sige na lang ako. Ang kanino?
Ayun lang. Okay na. Mahirap ako.
Huwag ka na sa slide siya dito naka-slide zone niya.
Picture ka?
Oo.
O, dali. Ano pa rin? Magpilit ka.
Pilit ka na, slide na. Madam, kung palit ang bago, advice mo, lagi naman kani siya, slide. Pindot din siya ako pang gym. Pero kung nagagawa siya kayo doon. Kana, i-flip sa wide sa inyong hips. Ayos. Unsa ka wala pa din yung hips ka na. Okay, flip ang ganun. Wala na ha. Ako di ay kita mo dito. Ay lang po. Kung hindi pa para hindi ka magpuan, ikuan dan sa inyong crown side ang nakaporma. Imo sa gana ta.
Ako po sa akin. Dito po sa
Yan
iyo.
ka sa inyong
I-adjust tayo ng asaw, tayo ng ulo.
Oh, imo sa ikuan sa crown side. Oh. Adjust yung kamot. Adjust yung kamot. Wala po kami na sa kamot isa una. Oh, crown side ng tukod nimo, yung dili likod. Crown side. Ana. Ito mo yung crown side. Kaya ano mo ba? Ano na ko kani ha? Wala doon kayo lisod ka kayo. Doon na kayo yung tiil. Walk forward, ano yung tiil? Forward. Forward ba? Forward. Sure ka?
Ano na?
Oo, mas yung kamutan. Sure ka? Ano?
Bukit kayo po.
Sure ka?
Ako tutoy. Sa balay. Hindi na sa balay. Hindi mo tapos.
Wala na yung matabang sa balay.
Okay, ganit ka po ay.
Couch, di ko rin no. Couch.
Ay ka na. Ato dito. Anak. Try ka na. Katong. Dili mo mo.
Sige, teacher.
So, dili pa kayo mag-strong ang arms. Pero ginanin, no? So, pwede na kakatong anak siya. Anak. Dili mo siyang i-release sa likod. Ulo.
Nice support.
Ang galing mong zero. Ay, so,
Makatabi ko na si teacher, oy. Ako, nagamuro na ko sa iyo.
anak siya. Kaya dito ako dito kung hindi pa kay strong arms.
Meron pa sa sipat. Mag-isa ba? Try mo.
Sakasagot ka ano?
Ang anak ko.
Ito siya.
Nun kay teacher, kaya ako kakurog dyan, teacher. Kami kakurog.
Anak, sige, anak sa
Master na ng master na kayo.
Ikaw yung mga pangay. Then, anak, introduce ang finger sa likod ninyo. Straight. Dito sa tanawag. Sige ka more. Kana. Anak, sige. Kana siya. Mas siksi pa tanawag sa inana. Oh, nice na. Dito, paan kayo nagpipudili. Open yun. Ikaw, nakapagawa. Nice siya. Dili ko siya struggle sa inyong tabo. Pero, isa lang siya tataan sa inyo. Di mo siya lisuod. Ang grabe po.
Sino siya? Uy, pakatiin.
Dili ko siya struggle sa inyong tabo. Kaya ang sino na yung yung dito po, dahil mo lang ang iyong pinag-yung chest.
Sakit ako din. Ay.
Sige,
Saan mo yan ito? Press mo.
Kaya ka? Kaya ko pinasagin.
Sige, tayo na.
Nakatry na kami sa last time, hindi ba try kita?
Wala ko daw.
Ako na nakatry nila sa Connie na yun. Si Connie to Grace sila yun. So, yung Lucas. Sila si Connie to, sila si Aries. Sige, try ta. Okay lang din. Chest good. Ganda.
Wala mo.
Iwag.
Wala mo na yun na.
Try it straight. Walk forward, forward, forward. Forward, and backward, forward, forward. Forward, forward. Sige, forward pa. Forward pa, forward pa, forward pa.
Nakulo ba yung sila?
Straight.
Tapos sutsog.
Okay, good morning.
Ganun, nice ka naman.
Oh.
Nice ka yun.
Nako, sana all na ito ko pa. Ay, hindi ka na baklaro ko na.
Okay na. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Dali, sige, asan yun ang uban?
Assignment na lang sa...
Asan yun lang sa? Hindi talim. Hug your belt. Aka ng knees to chest lang. I-hug ang knees and chest. Dapat next time, makasaway ka mo na ha? Okay, then head up. Okay, then head up lang, head up. Isa ang ulo. Forehead to your chin. A chin. A knees ay. Okay, then head down. Hug lang ang knees, then roll your body side to side para massage ang liver. Okay, then back to center. Then straighten the feet down lang, naka-bend si knees. Release ang kamot, open si arm sa kilid. Okay, then inhale. Then exhale, mag-twist ta, lower down si knees sa right, then tanaw sa left side. So, paano twist? Knees side pa. Bisa asa, basta sa bigang side po, sa ikaduha. Okay, then look to your another side. Yung asa mo ni, okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back to center, knees up. The other side na side, inhale, exhale, lower down si knees sa bigang side. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back to center. Okay, then straighten na si legs, feet. Straighten your legs to the legs. Feet as well as your mat. Okay, then you can bring your hands on the side sa inyong body. Or side sa inyong body, or you can extend your arms overhead. Any position that you feel comfortable. And close your eyes. Rest in your final pose to your Shavasana. Okay, slowly go back to your awareness. Wiggle your toes, your fingers. Even move your head side to side, slowly and gently. Bring your feet together, extend your arms overhead. Give yourself a nice stretch. Okay, then slowly roll to your right side. Okay, then when you're ready, slowly come up to your sitting pose. Okay, then again, we cross our legs. We're going to do a quick meditation before we end our practice. So again, bring your hands up on your knees, close eyes if you have one. And start to bring your awareness to your breath. Notice your every inhale and your every exhale. Okay, and deep breathe in to your nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale to your mouth. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale to your mouth. Inhale. Hold. Then exhale. You one more round. Inhale. Hold your breath. go back to your normal breathing. Again, bring your hands to your heart, palms together. Close your eyes and bow your head. Let's end our practice today with heart full of gratitude. Gratitude to our body, to our energy, for allowing ourselves to practice today. And I thank you for sharing your beautiful energy with me this morning. As we bow down, we greet each other. Namaste. Thank you very much. Assignment ha? Assignment ang upan.